Hi everyone, welcome to my build thread of my Momus Version 2.0. I decided to go with birch Russian plywood instead of going with regular plywood. Definitely quality of the ply is really better, as you guys can see on the pictures right now, the number of plies to that plywood. So a little bit more expensive, but at the end I think it's a good choice. The Momus is my second machine there. I already own a small machine there. And obviously the first machine was used for cutting almost all of the major cut on the Momus. I made and as you guys can see there, front panels. Again, here machine's cutting side panels, so I use the machine a lot, except for straight cut. Basically all the straight cut they're made. I made them at Home Depot. This is where I bought those two sheet of plywood. And I just made a cut on Depot, and all the notch and cut, as you guys can see on the side panels, are made with my machine. Obviously it really helped me out, as you guys can see, for a small machine. Quality of the cut were outstanding, and machine works really well for this project. It took me a while to get everything cut, just to get set up to the machine, but when it's done, and I'm happy with it. It's been so far 2 weeks and a half that I've been working on this machine, like on part-times, and I'm really happy with the result what I got right now. So here you see all the parts are cut. Not all the next pictures you guys are going to see, it's more just of the build, the assembling the parts step by step, basically following what it was on the Momus plan PDF file. So the only different slight change I made, you guys can see I put some hole there on there. These will be used hopefully to pass my wires, because I don't want to have to see any wires on my build, so the wires should be fished under the tables. I don't know if this thing's gonna work out for me, but I got the idea of doing it, so I'm moving on. Not much change I made, just little, but not much. Obviously I'm following the plan right now. So, and it was really accurate, honestly. The only major problems that I encountered is well, all the measures are made for 3/4 plywood, and that Russian plywood is not exactly 3/4. I think it's 1/16 down. So at the end, when you get all the assembling, it caused me some problems. I also made a base for the machine. Machine was so bulky and supposed to be fitting on the tables, but I really like the feeling of the machine, so I just cut some old piece of metal at the shop, soldering together, and I made a nice base for the machine. So there's the beast, almost ready for paint. Like I said, right now I got 90% of my build on the wood ready. Took me 2 weeks and a half part-time, so it ain't that bad there. Here, cutting the top lead. I made a little notch for to be able to make the inch inside of the plywood. There you see a little bit of bondo, a lot of sanding. I mean, sanding is the key word. If you guys want to have the wow factor at the end of the products, then you need to do a lot of sanding, a lot of putty. So I was really happy with the result there. And then I just prime it with regular primers, and just paint it. Also, machine was still used for cutting the plexiglass windows. Just a little video to show you how machine was cutting, and it's almost there now. We're just looking to get the final result. As you guys will see the pictures coming. Like, I need to paint the bottom of the machine. Machine bottom is not paint yet, so that will be next week, featuring next projects. And there we go. There's the beast. Windows installed. Top is paint. I'm gonna go with 2 colors tone paint on the machine, and I'm gonna keep you updated more of my Momus machine build. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.